How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to be giving you guys an update video about the long tube headers for the Dodge Challenger ScatPack. So right here behind me you can see I did get the Catless Midpipes in the mail a few days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox those for you guys and show you exactly what they come with. It's not going to be as big as the headers. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, make sure to check that out. I'm probably going to link that in the description so you guys can check that out if you'd like. So here we have the Midpipes. I went ahead and opened up the box. First thing I saw was this, and I have no clue what it is. So inside, obviously, we have the Midpipes. Obviously a lot easier to pick up than the headers. So as you see, it is catless, no cats. There's the box for the headers. You can see it's actually a lot bigger than the one for the Midpipes. Alright guys, so I am sitting in the car right now. I didn't feel like standing in the garage because I'm lazy. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what exactly I'm doing with this car. So if you haven't been following the channel, I'm getting long tube headers and Catless Midpipes for this Dodge Challenger ScatPack, and I am getting those installed March 12th. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to do so you don't miss those videos. I'm going to be releasing a whole bunch of videos whenever that happens. I'm going to make a whole video of when I go up to OST Dyno to get these installed. I'm going to videotape the installation and the dyno tuning session, hopefully. Then whenever I come back, I'm going to make a huge comparison video between like before and after, obviously, how it sounds with the headers, and then before how it was right now, which is mid muffler delete, and then I might also include some video clips from how it was stock. I know some people have been waiting for a really long time for this to actually happen. Some of my subscribers have been DMing me and commenting on some of my videos, asking when I'm getting the headers installed and stuff. So guys, just so you know, like I said previously, I am going up to OST Dyno March 12th. I already talked to them about it. I already have an appointment scheduled. So March 12th is the day that I'm going up to OST Dyno. So now you guys know. And sorry for kind of clickbaiting this video, kind of making you guys think that I already got them installed. But when I release another video after March 12th, you know it's actually going to be the real thing. So yeah, like I promised, I just wanted to make this short little update video about how the mods are going for the Challenger. In the future, I'm planning to get maybe like an XPEL wrap, which I know isn't really a performance mod, but it's something that I'm planning to do to this car. And also for performance mods, I'd like to get a Comp 240 cam, hopefully. I know those are really expensive, so it probably won't be for a while, but I'm also planning to get a Pro Charger sometime down the road. Definitely some drag radials so I can actually put down the power to the road and actually go drag racing sometime. I think that would be a lot of fun with this car. Also, one last thing guys, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers. Like I said in my last video, we're growing a lot faster as a channel than last year. I think we're at like 339 subscribers right now. Like last week it was at 315. So to me, that's kind of crazy because I'm not used to growing as a channel that fast. Something that kind of sucks is that this channel will be getting demonetized next month because of YouTube's new rules. But you know, hopefully we can get up to that 1,000 subscriber threshold so I can start monetizing this channel again. I think that would be pretty cool. Some of you guys probably didn't know this, but the first whole year that I was doing YouTube, I actually did not monetize my channel. Now, obviously because I didn't have the 10,000 view threshold or whatever it was, but even when I did hit that, I didn't monetize it because I just like didn't care back then. But like, I still don't really do this for the money. It's just really nice to be able to get paid for making videos and doing what I love. So I'm still going to be making videos for you guys, so I just wanted to say thank you for the support, and hopefully we can keep growing as a channel. And yeah, thanks. And I know this video isn't really much of a video, I guess. I'm just giving you guys an update about the long tube headers because some people have been DMing me and asking, like I said previously. So I just wanted to make a quick little video update for you guys just so everything's cleared up. So if you guys want to see more videos, make sure to check out some of my other videos on my channel. I post all types of car content with the Jeep Wrangler and this Dodge Challenger, and maybe some motorcycle videos in the future. That would be pretty cool. But for now, I'm extremely excited to get these headers installed. So March 12th, I know I've said that like 20 times in this video, but that is the day that I'm going up to OST Dyno to get these installed. So as always guys, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.